Hello friends, this is Rajdeep. Welcome to Learning Insight. For UGC NET JRF Paper 2 Social Work, discuss करेंगे some important national and international dates and days. So in the important sections, important material section, this is our video number 5. So let's start. Okay, this type of importance national and international days and date asks in every year in your NET JRF exam. So you can be sure that from this video you will get one question in your NET JRF exam. So let's start with the month of January. So what are the important dates in the month of January that may ask in social work exam, social work NET JRF exam? While I have prepared this video or slides, I keep in mind the social work subject. So accordingly I have chosen some important days. Those are very pertinent for the social work students. So first one, that is January 12, that is celebrated as National Youth Day for the Swami Vivekanand birthday. January 23rd, that is celebrated for Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose birthday. January 24, that is National Girl Child Day of India. January 25, India Tourism Day, that is also known as Indian Voters Day, International Custom Duty Day. Remember, there are one date, but there are different observance that is celebrated on that same date. So on the 25th January, that is also known for Indian Tourism Day, Voter Day and Custom Duty Day. Then 30 January, that is National Martyrs Day, or it can also be called as Sarvodaya Day. 30th January is also known as World Leprosy Eradication Day. Now next, go in the month of February. So what are the important dates and days in the month of February? First, that is February 4th, that is World Cancer Day. It's also known as Sri Lanka National Day and also Facebook Day. 6th February, that is known as International Day Against Female Genital Mutilations. Then February 21, that is known as International Mother's Language Day. International Mother Language Day is known as February, the date is February 21. February 23 is known for the World Peace and Understanding Day, and very important, that is in the previous years also asked this question. On 28 February, that is National Science Day. Now in the month of March, what are the important days and days for social work students or social work NET JRF? That is 3rd March, National Defense Day. 4th March, that is known for World Day of Fighting Against Sexual Exploitations, or it's also known as National Security Safety Day. 8th March, International Women's Day. So 8th March is known as International Women's Day. 15th March is known as World Disabled Day, World Contact Day. Now 15th March is also known as World Consumer Right Day, and 16th March is known as National Vaccination Day. National Vaccination Day is known as 16 March. 21 March, that is known as World Forestry Day. 22nd March, that is known as World Water Day, and 24th March, that is known as World TB Day. Now next slide. In the month of April, so what are the important days and date in the month of April? 2nd April, that is known as World Autism Awareness Day. 7th April, that is known as World Health Day. Remember, one question definitely asked from this slide, so you have better you note down all the days, important days. It's my experience while I have prepared for NET. Starts okay, 7 April. 7 April is known as World Health Day. 13th April is known as Jallianwala Bagh Massacre Day, and 14th April is known as World B.R. Ambedkar Jayanti, and 22nd April is known as World Earth Day, and 26th April is known as World Intellectual Property Day. Now important days and date in month of May. So first May is known as International Labour Day, that is Workers Day. Maharashtra Day is also known as Maharashtra Day. 3rd May is known as Press Freedom Day, International Sun Day and World Asthma Day. So 3rd May is known for the 3 kind of occasions, that is Freedom Day, Press Freedom Day, International Sun Day and World Asthma Day. Remember the second Sunday in month of May is known for Mother's Day, not 2nd May. Is 2nd Sunday in month of May is known as Mother's Day, and it's celebrated on when mothers are honored by their children. And world, that is 8th May is known as World Red Cross Day or Red Crescent Day. Now 11th May is known as National Technology Day, and 12th May is known as International Nurses Day. 13th May is known for International Criminal Code Day, and 15th May is known for International Family Day. 21st May is known for Anti-Terrorism Day and National Day for Cultural Development. 25th May is known for World Missing Children Day, and 31st May is known for World Anti-Tobacco. Now important date and days in the month of June. There is World Environment Day in the 5th June. 12th June is known for World Day Against Child Labor. 14th June is known for World Blood Donor Day. 15th June is known for World Elder Abuse Awareness Day, and 20 June is known for World Refugee Day, and 23rd June is known for World International Widows Day. Now important date and days in the month of July for social work near JRF. That is 1st July National Doctors Day or World Doctors Day. 11th July, that is known for World Population Day, and 28th July is known for World Nature Conservation Day and also known for World Hepatitis Day. Now next slide. There is important date and days in the month of August. 9th August is known for International Day of World Indigenous People. Now 9 August is known for Quit India Movement Day and Nagasaki Day. Now 12th August is known for International Youth Day, and 29th August is known for International Sport Day, and it's known for the Dhyan Chand birthday. So Dhyan Chand birthdays is celebrated as National Sport Day on 29th August. Now important days and date in the month of September, that is 8th September is known for World Literacy Day. 14th September is known for Hindi Day, the World First Aid Day, and 16th September is known for World Ozone Day. It's known as Engineers Day in India, and September 21 is known for Alzheimer's Day, and is also known for International Day of Peace. So 21 September is also known for International Day of Peace, and 27 September is known for World Tourism Day. Now next slide, that is important dates and days in the month of October. So 1st October is known for International Day of Older Person, and 2nd October is known for Mahatma Gandhi birthday, that is International Day of Non-Violence, and 3rd October is known for World Habitat Day. World Nature's Day is also known as World Nature Day. Now 4th October is known for World Animal Welfare Day. 5th October is known for World Teachers Day, and 6th October is known for World Wildlife Day and also known for World Food Security Day. So 10th October is known for World Post Day and World Mental Health Day. 11th October is known for International Girl Child Day. 16th October is known for World Food Day. 17th October is known for International Day for the Eradication of Poverty, that is International Poverty Day. 20 October is known for World Statistics Day, and it's also known for National Solidarity Day. 24 October UN Day, and is also known for World Development Information Day. 31st October, that is known for Rashtriya Ekata Divas, that is celebrated on Sardar Patel and for Sardar Patel, and the National Integration Day, that is celebrated for Indira Gandhi. Now important days and date in the month of November, that is 7 November is known for Infant Protection Day, World Cancer Awareness Day, and 9 November is known for Legal Service Day. 14 November is known for Children Days in India, and it's celebrated for the Jawaharlal Nehru birthday and World Diabetes Day. 17 November is known for World Students Day, and it's also known for National Journalism Day, that is celebrated on Guru Nanak birthday. Guru Nanak Dev birthday is celebrated on the same day. So important dates and day in the month of December, that is our last. 1st December, we all know that World AIDS Day is celebrated on 1st December. 2nd December is celebrated as World Computer Literacy Day and International Days of Abolition of Slavery. So International Day of Slavery and Computer Literacy Day is celebrated on the same day, that is on 2nd December. 3rd December, International Day of People with Disability, and is also celebrated on the same day, that is World Conservation Day. 5th December is celebrated for International Volunteer Day for Economic and Social Development. 9th December is celebrated for the International Day Against Corruption, and 10th December is celebrated for Human Rights Day, and 11th December is known for International Mountain Day, that is also known as UNICEF Day. Now 14th December, that is known for International Energy Conservation Day, and 18th December is known for International Migrants Day, and 23rd December is known for Kisan Divas Farmers Day, and 29th December is known for International Biodiversity Day. So this is all about your days and date. That is very much important for social work students for concerning for NET JRF exam. If you hopefully you like the video, if yes, then please do like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you can get my all videos immediately after uploading. Please join my Telegram channel for all videos, test paper, tips and suggestion, and you can also join my Google Classroom for complete study materials for social work NET JRF, and please like my Facebook page. Thank you. Keep learning, keep watching.